Welcome to another tutorial of Binance. How to convert your crypto assets into fiat currency in Binance and then withdraw it to your personal bank account. So without any further ado, let's get started. Assalamu alaikum, this is Arfan Aftab and you are watching Manha Mentor. Let's get to the computer screen. I had already logged into my Binance account. Click on wallet and open your fiat and spot wallet. Let's withdraw BUSD from Binance account to your personal bank account. Click on withdraw in front of BUSD. Another window will appear. Now this window, you have to be very careful. It mentions withdraw crypto. It does not mean that you can withdraw fiat from this window. You can withdraw your crypto asset from Binance account to your personal wallet or any other exchange. So in order to withdraw your crypto into fiat, you need to click on top right corner as you can see withdraw fiat. Now select the currency USD. On the right side, you can see how many BUSD I have available. What is BUSD? It is Binance USD. This is a stable coin which is pegged to US dollars. So 1 USD is equal to 1 BUSD. As you can see over here, it's around 1300 BUSD. And there are two ways to withdraw. One is for corporate user and one is for individual users. Corporate users, 0 fees. But for individual users, there is $30 of fees. As we are individuals, so we will be selecting the upper option, which involves $30 of charge. Now here is the catch. Let's say you want to withdraw $50. $30 will be the charge fees. It is not recommended to use this method if you are withdrawing a very small amount. If you want to withdraw small amounts, then you have other two options. First method is to withdraw your crypto assets from Binance to your local exchange and then withdraw it to fiat currency from your local exchange in your local currency, not even USD. That is applicable to some countries, the countries who are having their local exchanges who are dealing in crypto assets. I am from Bahrain. In Bahrain, we have local exchange named as Rain. With Rain, people living in Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Kuwait, they can withdraw in their local currencies and as well as USD. They can sell and buy directly at Rain Exchange. Link is up in here. If I want to withdraw all the BUSDs, which is around 1300 USD, it still charges me 30 USD. Now this is a good option. The second option to sell from Binance small amount of cryptos is P2P. In case if your country does not have an exchange who sell and buy cryptos, then you can use P2P method. A complete tutorial link is up in the description. If you have big amount, then this is worth it because as you can see, it is only charging me $30 no matter how big the amount is. But if it's a small amount, then this is not a good method. It will take approximately 2 to 4 working days. You will not get instantly. It will take some days. In case, if you have Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, if you want to use this method for them, you need to first convert it into BUSD and then you can use this method. I have made a complete video on how you can convert your crypto assets. Link is up in here. And one more important point. You need to call your bank and check with them. They are accepting transfers in USD. Most of the banks does allow sending and receiving of USD, but you need to make sure first with your bank if they allow. If your bank does not allow, you can check other banks, and whatever bank allow, you can open an account with them. For me, I'm in Bahrain and I'm using Ila Bank. Link is up in here. Ila Bank allows you to have your USD account, your GBP account, your Euro account, Turkish Lira, and many other GCC currencies. And the best part is you do not even need to go to the bank to open an account. You can just download the app from their website or from the Google Play Store or App Play Store. And within 15 minutes, you fill your KYC details and you're set to go. And at the same time, you can have up to 5 accounts in different currencies. If you are in Bahrain, get benefit from that. If you want to know more in details about this process, you can press on the right corner, need help, and most of the question answers are mentioned over here. Or else you can chat with Binance and get the latest information. I highly recommend you to do your own research before dealing with cryptos, because if you lose, It's your money and you are accountable for your money. Here is a complete Binance tutorial playlist. I highly recommend you to watch this. If you find this video valuable, press the like button, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive notification of all the latest videos as soon as they are published on the channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now.